We're the Just Right Quartet. We're doing Singing Valentines on Valentine's Day all over Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana.
Maybe I'm right, and maybe I'm wrong, and maybe I'm weak, and maybe I'm strong, but nevertheless I'm in love with you, in love with only you. Maybe I'll win, and maybe I'll lose, and maybe I'm in for crying the blues, but nevertheless I'm in love with you, in love with you. Somehow I know at a glance the terrible chances I'll be taking right at the start, the left with a heart that is left with a heart that is breaking. Maybe I'll live a life of regret, and maybe I'll give much more than I'll get, but nevertheless I'm in love with you, in love with you. Somehow I know the terrible chances that I'll be taking right at the start, left with a heart that is breaking. So maybe I'm alive to regret, and much more than I'll get, but nevertheless I'm in love. I've always been so in love. Nevertheless I'm in love with you. I'm so in love with you. I'm so in